Good morning! It's Friday, September 26, 2008, and I am Marcel Gagne, and this is WFTL Bytes, your FOSS, that's free and open source software, which includes Linux, news show, which happens every day on this channel, or occasionally whenever I get around to doing one of these things. I think I might just start calling this the Google show, and why? Because every day we've got a piece of news that covers Google. Today's news has to do with their Chrome browser, also known as Chromium in the open source project version of it, and as you know, there's a Codeweavers version which was released so that you could actually run Chrome on Linux, which you can't do because it's only been released for Windows, but that's not where I'm going with this. Apparently a lot of people are worried about the fact that Google, being Google, collects a lot of information when you're using Chrome or Chromium, as the case might be. So now there's a company in Germany called SRware that has decided to put those fears to rest for you. Hey, wait a minute, I need to put on my press hat. Anyway, SRware has released a new browser called Iron. Iron is, of course, based on the Chromium code base, and Iron takes away all those little bits of code that apparently collect information on you and report back to Google. So you can sleep tight at nights knowing that Iron is out there protecting you when you're surfing the web. The second piece of news that I've got today for you is GNOME, or GNOME, GNOME. Either way, anyway, GNOME 2.2.4 has been released. And GNOME, and I'm going to say this because everybody else out there is saying it, GNOME now has empathy. Empathy, as it turns out, is not an emotional state in this case, or even an understanding of your fellow human beings' needs and wants and so forth. In this case, it's actually an instant messaging client, a multi-protocol instant messaging client, and a pretty nice one at that. And it's all even got video chat. Yes, we all need to have video chat these days. It's exceedingly important. Empathy, of course, supports XMPP, telepathy, a whole bunch of other cool things. Now, the other thing that GNOME 2.2.4 brings to the table is the fantastic Kiga SIP, or if you wish, voice over IP communications client, which also has video, and it's got some nice new feature sets. You want to check out Kiga 3.0 even if you're not running GNOME 2.2.4. GNOME 2.2.4 also has a time tracker, so you can find out where you're wasting all your time. Apparently I'm wasting a lot of it doing these things. And Deskbar, that little applet down at the bottom that you may or may not use, lets you now do Google searches and lets you type mathematical equations that you can find out what 2 plus 2 equals, or is it 2 plus 3? One of those things. Anyway, one of those adds up to 4. I'm pretty sure of that. But most importantly, it has a way for you can update your Twitter and Identica accounts directly from the Deskbar. Now that's cool stuff. And finally, I got to throw a little bit of Windows into this broadcast. Cygwin, in its next release 1.7, has decided that it will no longer support Windows 95. Windows 98, or, God help us, Windows ME. A moment of silence, please. Alright, that'll do. Anyway, and that's the news for today. Come back again to WFTL Bytes later. Gotta take off my press hat now, because I'm done. I'm done. Bye.